Hey everyone, welcome back to Touch Trove. Today, we've got some fascinating news from the tech world. Samsung might be bringing back the slim design in a big way. Let's dive into what could be a game changer for Samsung and the Galaxy S series. Segment 1: Background on Galaxy Alpha and Inspiration. 10 years ago, Samsung introduced the Galaxy Alpha, a sleek, ultra-thin phone that turned heads with its 6.7mm profile. It was a trendsetter, influencing the iconic Galaxy S6 design that came out the next year. Fast forward to now, and Samsung seems ready to test the waters again with a slim device. Segment 2: What we know so far. According to a recent report from ET News, Samsung is planning a slim version of one of its Galaxy S25 models. This is huge news because the Galaxy S25 series itself is already packed with the latest specs. But now, Samsung wants to offer something even sleeker, focusing on an ultra-thin design. And here's the twist: this slim device won't come out with the main Galaxy S25 lineup. It'll launch separately a few months later, just like we saw with the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Segment 3: Which Galaxy model will be slim? Now, the big mystery remains: which model will Samsung pick as the base for the Galaxy S25 Slim? Will it be the standard S25, the Plus, or even the high-end Ultra? Samsung is keeping this under wraps for now, but this experiment could reveal a lot about what consumers really want from their smartphones. Segment 4: Testing the demand for thinner phones. This slim model isn't just about design, it's Samsung's way of testing demand. If people show interest, we could see this thin form factor influence the Galaxy S26 lineup and beyond. The question is, do we really want thinner phones? Samsung's not the only one curious. Apple is reportedly considering a slim model as well, aiming to replace its struggling Plus version. Segment 5: The future of slim phones and user poll. So, what does this mean for the future of smartphones? Are we ready to trade a bit of battery life and perhaps durability for a sleek, thin design? Samsung is taking this risk to find out, and we're excited to see if this trend will stick. But now we want to hear from you. Would you prefer a thinner, sleeker phone over one with a bigger battery and features? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Outro. That's all for today's update on Samsung's Galaxy S25 Slim model. Make sure to subscribe to Touch Trove and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.